Stretching from Arthur's Point to downtown Queenstown, a new 3.5 metre wide shared path and cycleway is being constructed along Gorge Road, reaching Queenstown CBD adjacent to the recreational reserve. An existing stacked rock wall supports the current small footpath, but with the road surface being widened to accommodate the shared path, it was deemed the rock wall was insufficient to carry the extra traffic loading. A new retaining wall was required in the reduced space between the street and the car park area next to the reserve. This would allow the new surface to simply be placed over the top of the original rock face wall without the need for further excavation and complete closure of the road. Two separate walls were originally designed. The first was a 40 metre long MagnumStone gravity wall retained to a height of 3.6 metres, running from the bottom of Camp Street to where the road rises and curves onto Robbins Road. A timber and railway iron wall had originally been proposed to continue along Robbins Road, but MagnumStone's 100-year design life, the ease and speed of installation, as well as its stone fascia to match Queenstown's aesthetics, meant the MagnumStone's gravity design was extended to include this 94 metre long section. The design of extender blocks and near vertical wall face also meant minimal excavation of the main road during construction. Having reduced local traffic to one lane, the area was cleared of debris before a granular levelling pad was laid. By changing from the timber wall to the MagnumStone system, weeks were shaved off the construction program, avoiding the use of large machinery to drill holes into the ground. Blocks and extenders were easily placed on the level ground, with delivery coming from Christchurch early in the morning before heavy traffic began. Ease of handling meant quick construction, with the two walls being built either side of a small existing building. Services could be placed behind the wall or within the MagnumStone's hollow core. A drainage aggregate fill wrapped with geotextile was then placed into the hollow core and over the extenders as each layer rose, with the handrail placed into the hollow core of the top MagnumStone layer and secured with a concrete pour. Combining beauty with functionality, MagnumStone gave QLDC an engineered solution that mirrored the majestic mountains surrounding Queenstown, with the shared pathway offering adventurers and tourists a new way to experience the road to the Shotover River and Arthur's Point.